Hare Krishna, everyone. So, is there a life on other planets? Obviously, the answer a lot of people now know is yes, because to think that the life is only on this planet is not a very intelligent idea. So, yes, there is life on other planets, but it is more elaborately explained in the Vedic scriptures that how the life has been existed and is still existing in other planets. It is said in the Vedas, in the Srimad Bhagavatam also, that there are living entities on planets who can fly, who have this capacity to fly from one planet to another planet. So that's a kind of living entity which we haven't discovered yet. The science has not yet discovered. So this kind of living entities also exist, and obviously we know about the demigods, Indra, Chandra, and the sun god. Now, how a lot of people question this, that how is it possible that in sun the living entities are living, in moon the living entities might be living? How it is possible? The heat is so much in sun. The wonderful answer is given. I've just read the book in Perfect Questions and Perfect Answers, which states that if, and which I think is a very good logic also, that it states that if in water the body is being created which can adjust, which can accommodate with water, the aquatics, then why not the body can be created in the sun, which is very friendly to the heat atmosphere, to the hot atmosphere. So this philosophy was, I think it's really a point to think of. And obviously there is life in sun god. There is a predominating deity there also. So there is life in every planet, and that's why I think living entities exist. They exist everywhere. The creation of God is so immense, so vast, that everywhere there is living entity. And so in other planets also there are living entities, and the earth lies in the middle area. It's a middle planetary system. Above, it's said that when we go above earth, the time span decreases. Like suppose it's said that in Indralok, 6 months of Indralok is equal to 1 year is equal to 6 months of Indralok. So when we pass 1 year, 6 months of Indralok has been passed. So, but the time is slow. As soon as you reach upper planetary systems, the time gets slower and slow. It doesn't affect you much. And when it's said that when you go down from Earth planet, because Earth is in the middle, so when you start going below the Earth planet, the below planetary systems, the time goes fast. Like for example, say if we can take our examples, the ants have shorter lifespans. The living entities which are of lower forms, like say ants, insects, have small lifespans, have not huge lifespans like us. So similarly, when we go higher, where our consciousness is higher, the lifespan is also increases. The time factor does not affect much. And it is said that Parampita Shri Brahmaji, the creator, intelligent engineer of this whole universe, has a lifespan of 432 crore earth years. Yes, 432 crore earth years is his lifespan. And it is said that 4 yugas, that is Satya, Treta, Dwapar and Kali Yuga, these 4 yugas, a cycle of this 4 yuga is 1 day of Brahma. The next cycle of 4 yugas is a night of Brahma, and he lives such 100 years in his lifetime. And so this is the lifespan of Shri Brahmaji. And the main concept to understand here is this, that when you go upwards, the lifespan, the time factor does not affect you much. So that is the message today, not message but information today, that the time factor and the planetary systems. Hare Krishna.